Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Arvest Mortgage account. So go to your Chrome or Edge browser and open Google. Now in the Google search bar, search for Arvest Mortgage. You can either tap on the first link which appears or you can simply click on Login. So if it's simple for you to log in, click on the login button and it will lead you directly to the page which the Arvest login calls ssoarvest.com. So what you need to do is write down your login ID, your password, and simply hit the login button. In case you forgot your login ID or your password, you can use this link to reset your password. After you click on this link, you can write down your SSN or tax paper ID, your date of birth, and submit it. And if you want to reset your password, click on Reset Password and write down your login ID. After this process, a mail will be sent to your email address with which you have opened your Arvest Mortgage account. And after that, you can reset your password or your login ID. This was a video on how you can log in to your Arvest Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.